Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can easily and conveniently check the current battery health of your Beats earbuds or basically any other Bluetooth earphones that are connected to your iPhone. So first of all, you want to connect your accessory to the iPhone itself. So let me do that on my end real quick. As you can see, my earbuds are connected. Now I want to tap on any vacant spot I have on any of my home screens. Just like so. At the top left corner of my display, just tap on the plus sign, and among the widget you want to search for the batteries. In here, choose what design you would like to go with. For example, I want to choose this one, and then tap on this green Add Widget button. Now, as you can see, I'm able to see the current battery state of all the devices that are currently connected to my iPhone, if there were any. Here, the first icon stands for the iPhone itself, and next I can see the current battery state of the earbuds themselves and even the case for them. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.